our place in the infinite expanse of the universe. As inhabitants of Earth, we find ourselves nestled within the unfathomable breadth of cosmos, teeming with countless celestial wonders that lie just beyond our reach. This vast cosmic theatre, filled with stars, galaxies and mysteries, has always stirred a sense of curiosity in us. It is this curiosity that drives us to reach beyond the confines of our blue planet and unravel the mysteries that the universe holds. One such enigma that captivates our curiosity is a celestial body known as Apophis. Apophis, also ominously known as the god of chaos, is an asteroid that orbits our sun. This celestial object, measuring about 370 meters in diameter, takes its name from an ancient Egyptian deity associated with destruction. It traces an elliptical path around the sun, a journey that brings it perilously close to our home planet, Earth. In the year 2029, we're expecting a close encounter with Apophis, closer than any other asteroid of its size in recorded history. It's projected to skim past Earth, coming within a hair's breadth of 20,000 miles. To put that into perspective, that's closer to us than many of our man-made satellites that orbit our planet. This close flyby isn't without its risks. It's like playing a game of cosmic roulette, where the stakes are incredibly high. While the odds of an actual impact are slim, the potential for catastrophe is significant enough to warrant our attention. To better understand this celestial body, NASA has launched a thrilling mission into the unknown. The mission, named OSIRIS-REx, is a daring venture into the cosmos. This audacious journey begins with a bold objective: to study the infamous asteroid Apophis, known to many as the god of chaos. This celestial body has been the subject of many a space enthusiast's curiosity, and now it's time for us to unravel its mysteries. OSIRIS-REx, now rebranded as OSIRIS-APEx, is our trusty vehicle equipped with the technology to unlock the secrets that Apophis holds. One of its key tasks is to map the surface of this asteroid. It's like cartography. But instead of charting unexplored lands, we're charting unexplored space. The goal is to understand the terrain, the topography, and the unique features that make up this chunk of rock, hurtling through space. But the mission doesn't stop at mere mapping. The spacecraft is also tasked with observing the effects of Earth's gravity on Apophis. Imagine being a tiny object in the vast expanse of space and feeling the pull of a planet thousands of miles away. How does this gravitational interaction affect Apophis? Does it alter its trajectory, its speed, or its spin? We aim to find out. In addition, the spacecraft is set to study the changes in Apophis's day length and surface. It's a bit like studying the seasons on Earth, but instead, we're observing the seasons of an asteroid. We want to know if and how Apophis changes over time and what these changes could mean for its future. And finally, the OSIRIS-REx mission is to analyze the chemical makeup of the rock. This is akin to conducting a biopsy, but on a celestial body. We aim to understand what Apophis is made of, which could provide us with valuable insights into the origins of our solar system. While the spacecraft will not land on Apophis, it will operate in close proximity for 18 months, collecting invaluable data. This mission, brave and pioneering, is our chance to understand the god of chaos a little better, and in doing so, understand our place in the cosmos a little more. This mission is about more than just one asteroid. It's a voyage into the unknown, a quest for knowledge, a journey into the heart of mystery. We're not just studying Apophis, the so-called god of chaos. We're seeking answers to questions that have puzzled humanity for centuries. What are asteroids made of? How do they behave? And most importantly, how can we protect our delicate blue planet from potential asteroid threats? Imagine, if you will, a library. Each asteroid is a book filled with stories of the universe's past, each one unique, each one waiting to be read. Our mission to Apophis is like opening one of these books, delving deep into its pages and learning its secrets. It's not just about understanding Apophis, but about enhancing our comprehension of all asteroids. By mapping its surface, studying its chemical makeup, and observing the gravitational effects, we're collecting vital data that will deepen our understanding of these celestial bodies. But the mission's significance extends beyond the realm of science. It's about our survival, our future. It's about developing strategies to deflect any asteroid that dares to threaten our home. This mission is a testament to human ingenuity, a beacon of our relentless pursuit of knowledge. It's a reminder of our place in this vast, beautiful universe. As we journey into the cosmos, we are not merely observers but active participants in the grand story of the universe.